Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights. You must be signed into a local or different admin account before removing a Microsoft account. Once done, back up OneDrive and mail data to a local folder or external drive so nothing is lost. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, then your info. You will see the Microsoft linked account. Click Manage your account or Sign in with a local account instead. Follow the prompts to initiate the switch and prepare for the unlink step. Once you chose Sign in with a local account, follow the verification. Enter your current Microsoft password, create a local username and strong password, and confirm. Make sure to disable OneDrive sync so files don't remain linked. Open OneDrive settings and choose Unlink this PC. Next, go to Email and Accounts and remove any work or school accounts. Finally, clear stored Microsoft credentials in Credential Manager so cached tokens can't relink automatically. To finish, remove the Microsoft account entry under Family and Other Users if it still appears, select it and choose Remove. Restart the laptop to ensure the sign-in screen shows only the local account. Verify OneDrive is signed out and that Mail/Calendar no longer lists the Microsoft profile. If you run into problems, like the account reappearing, boot Safe Mode, open Credential Manager, and delete any leftover Microsoft credentials. Then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.